Here's how to find your YouTube channel ID. First up, go over to your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using. And then type in Studio Dashboard. Once you have done that, click on these three dots right over here and select the desktop site option. Then once you have done that, it will give you the desktop site option. And if you have the YouTube app installed, what you want to do now is that you want to long press on this link or on the YouTube Studio option, and then click on the open a new tab. And then go over to the tab that has been opened and open it. And this will take you to a YouTube dashboard. And we've done this because if you have the YouTube app installed, it will take you directly to your YouTube app. But we want to use the desktop site, or we want to use the YouTube Studio on the Chrome browser and not on the app. So this is why we opened in a new tab so that it does not take us to our YouTube Studio app. So once you're in the Studio dashboard, what you want to do now is that you want to zoom in and click on these three lines right over here, and then scroll down and click on the settings option. Once you do that, you can easily then go on the channel option right over here, and then click on the advanced settings option. Then you can double tap in the tab so that it gives you the option to scroll. Then scroll down until you find the manage YouTube account. And once you've done that, you can easily long press on it and open a new tab, or you can easily click on the link direct. But for those who want to open a new tab, you can easily do that and then go back to the new tab and then scroll again, or rather zoom in and click on the view advanced settings. And as you can see, here is your channel ID, and you can easily click on the copy option, and that will copy your channel ID. So that's how you can easily find your YouTube channel ID on mobile. So that said, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.